All right, good Monday evening, everybody. Storm Team 12 Chief Meteorologist Ken South here with your weather update for this week. Trying to adjust the camera here. It's going to be a warm week. It'll feel like spring the second week of February. We do have a couple of fronts coming. The first one is going to be a weak frontal boundary. We may get a couple of spotty showers out of that, and temperatures may drop a degree or two, but that's going to be it. That is the front that you see here on the map. The next one coming in, though, is going to be a stronger system with a bigger drop in the temperature, and we're more likely to see a round of thunderstorms and possibly severe weather. We are in severe weather season, February through May, so it wouldn't totally be out of the question. It is too early, though, at this point to really say how strong the storms are going to be, so that's why we want you to continue to watch over the next couple of days, and we'll keep you posted on the strength of that weekend storm. Just know that over the weekend we got a good chance of rain, and we are definitely going to cool down behind that front. Won't be dramatic, but we'll cool down about 10-15 degrees. So here's a look at live IMAX 12. Clouds are increasing. We got a southerly breeze out there. That's going to keep us warm tonight. It's 60 degrees right now. We're only going to drop into the mid-50s first thing in the morning. Could see some patchy fog along and south of Highway 84. So it's going to be soupy to start the day, kind of warm, a little bit muggy out there, especially for February. And then tomorrow we'll see a lot of clouds in the morning, limited sun in the afternoon, but still a south wind at about 10 miles per hour will be enough to push our temperatures once again into the mid-70s, which is about 10 to 15 degrees above average. So tomorrow, south breeze, clouds increasing. It'll be kind of muggy out there. Then here comes our front. And we'll see more rain in North Mississippi, but in South Mississippi, about a 10-20% chance of mostly light stray showers. Temporarily, I think, behind the front, our winds do shift in from the north, but that high pressure is going to work to the east pretty quickly. The winds are going to reverse back out of the south, and that's going to pretty much keep us warm for the rest of this week. There you see a little bit of a dip Wednesday and Thursday, and then we start to warm back up Friday ahead of the next system, which is coming in Saturday night. I think the big drop in the temperature is going to be coming Sunday into Monday. So this is our long-range model. This will show you both fronts. The first one coming in Wednesday. It'll be late in the day. We'll see a few spotty showers. Not going to be a big deal. We get a break Thursday. A few stray showers may come back Friday, but the main event is going to hold off until late Saturday night. Let's say Saturday evening through the overnight into Sunday morning. So this is going to be an overnight event. Keep that in mind. Also a couple of inches of rain, and there will be a potential for some stronger storms as this moves from west to east across Mississippi. Now the rain's going to taper off Sunday as temperatures cool down. So through midweek, not much rain in the rainfall bucket, but over the weekend we could add an inch, possibly 2 inches of rain, which could help us out with our drought situation over the southwestern part of the state. We know it's really bad in the Adams County, Natchez area, but really anywhere around Jackson and Vicksburg and points south, we are in a moderate to an extreme drought. So we could use a couple of inches of rain, and we may get it this weekend. So tonight, clouds increasing, south breeze, mid-50s. Tomorrow, we're going to keep a south wind, clouds in the morning, limited sun in the afternoon. Your high temperature will be in the mid-70s. There's your low chance of rain Wednesday, and notice the temperature does drop just a little bit. Notice the morning low goes from the upper 50s to the low 50s Thursday morning. Not much of a change in the afternoon. We're going to still stay in the low to mid-70s. Now the front coming in over the weekend comes in late Saturday, so we're going to have an opportunity to warm into the low 70s before the front comes in. I'm going to raise the chance of rain to about 80%. There will be some thunderstorms in the mix during the overnight. Then the rain tapers off Sunday as temperatures cool down. So we're going to go from the mid-70s to the low 60s for highs, and lows will dip back into the 40s by early next week when the sunshine returns. So Saturday is Valentine's Day. Storms are going to be coming in late in the day, so if you're making plans, you may want to make them for kind of early in the day. And Sunday doesn't look that great because I think it's going to be cloudy and kind of wet, but temperatures cooling down. So I think your best time is probably going to be early in the day Saturday or Friday. Do something Friday. All right, that is your forecast for tonight. Meteorologist Megan Hanna is going to be here first thing in the morning with your next update. Have a good night.